Hi again, everyone. Today we're going to just have a look at your Google Meet and WebEx links. So in DayMap, in reading classes, you will see that there's either My Google Meet link or your teacher might have a WebEx link in there as well. Okay, so depending on who you're going to be working with for your groups, you click on that teacher's link in there. If you are going to go to Google Meet from your classroom, so your Google Classroom, so there's a couple of places you can find that. So if your teacher's activated it, they will have a meeting link in the top of the stream, in the banner of the stream. In the classwork tab, there's also a link again there to the same Google Meet link. Now if I just go back to the stream, when you look closely at the end, so we've got meet.google.com/lookup, then we've got / and then this code at the end. So if I go over to a Google search page and go to the Meet app, and this can be on any device, what it's going to do is take you to a join or start a meeting. Okay, so here you might join, and that's where you can paste that code. So if I just type it in, XCSZF5IX, hopefully I've typed that in correctly, and continue. And what that'll do, that'll take you into the call, and it'll allow you to go in there. Okay, so hopefully that helps with accessing your links, and there you go. So that's that code, and you're ready to join. So that's how to access Google Meet, and if your teacher has a WebEx link, that should automatically work the same way. So I hope that's helpful. Catch you next time. Bye.